Go Carpet Cleaning in Embry Hills, Georgia. Testimonials. Looking for a carpet cleaning business that cares about your health, as much as they care about clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning. We focus on business and residential carpet cleaning, using only natural, environmentally friendly solutions that are 100% safe for your family members and pets. We want to ensure that our customers are 100% satisfied with the carpet cleaning that we provide, and we ensure satisfaction on each and every job. Take a look at some of our reviews.
Gal's work was awesome. He was very professional and thorough with explaining his process, recommendations, and pricing. My carpet was heavily soiled and he was able to remove stains I didn't think would ever come out. Especially, the 2 large black ink stains my grandchildren made. I recommend Gal's services to anyone needing their carpet cleaned, especially deeply cleaned. Thank you again, Gal, and if we decide not to go with hardwood flooring, we definitely will be booking you again.
Awesome service, very professional, great prices. Thank you very much.
Our dedication is unequaled by any other company, since not only do we offer quality work on time every visit but likewise supply excellent customer care, that will make certain all of our clients' needs are fulfilled, each step of the process. There's nothing like strolling barefoot on clean, fresh smelling carpets, and we can help you get there. If you require any of our other services, from carpet and upholstery cleaning to so much more, you're welcome to reach out to us by calling or reserving online. Our commercial and residential services are well known for our exceptional care and attention to detail for the care your carpets require. Call us for a free consultation and to discuss our budget-friendly prices on carpet cleaning in Embry Hills or the surrounding locations. Visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.